Wi-Fi just slows down for some reason. Not because it's old.
So what you're saying, if I have the same microwave that you have,
Yeah.
then when I'm making my hot pockets, I have to turn my video quality down to 144 when I'm watching my YouTube,
Fuck over
or I
no.
have, or I have to stop, or I have to stop playing. You know, you gotta stop playing. Gotta stop. You gotta stop and you gotta stop.
I just got recommended a video from Dope Enough that like 10 products that prove your nose is wild. What people can get this stuff and they're not shipping it out? Like what the fuck?
Place back in the town. Oh yeah. Ooh, that's good.
The pervert
Ooh.
stuff. The fuck?
Mm. Yeah, looking mighty fine.
I'm gonna listen to
Mm.
music in the voice. I'm gonna listen to music on YouTube. Don't worry, not here. I see. I'm just gonna mute myself and listen to music while playing Roblox. Not here.
Mm.